Unleash the power of cutting-edge AI in Photoshop without spending a single dime. Today, we're diving into how you can integrate and expertly use Nano Banana, a revolutionary AI image enhancement tool, directly within Adobe Photoshop. Completely for free, this is a game-changer for photographers and graphic designers looking to elevate their work without breaking the bank. First things first, let's get Nano Banana set up. You'll need to download the Nano Banana plugin. Head over to their official website. A quick search for Nano Banana AI should get you there. And find the download link for the Photoshop plugin. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. It's a straightforward process. After installation, launch Photoshop. You'll find Nano Banana integrated seamlessly. Go to your window menu, then hover over extensions, and you should see Nano Banana appear. Click on it to open the Nano Banana panel. This is your gateway to all its amazing features. Let's see Nano Banana in action. I've got this portrait here, a little soft and underexposed with the Nano Banana panel open. I'll select the Enhance option. You'll notice various sliders and presets that allow you to fine-tune the results. I'll adjust the sharpness slightly and boost the exposure just a touch. See that difference? Instantly, the details become clearer, and the overall lighting is so much more pleasing. Nano Banana uses sophisticated AI to intelligently analyze and correct imperfections without looking artificial. This is incredibly powerful for bringing out the best in your subjects. But Nano Banana isn't just for portraits. Let's try enhancing this landscape. I'll switch to the color boost function. Watch as the greens become richer and the blues more vibrant, all while maintaining a natural balance. This is fantastic for making your photographs truly pop. The beauty of Nano Banana is its intuitive interface. You don't need to be an AI expert. Simply select the desired effect, make subtle adjustments if needed, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. This dramatically speeds up your editing workflow, allowing you to achieve professional-grade results in a fraction of the time. Integrating Nano Banana into your workflow is a cost-effective and efficient way to elevate your Photoshop projects. Remember, it's completely free, making it an absolute must-have for anyone serious about their image editing. Give it a try and transform your photos.